Here we are here on Saturday the 14th of March 2009. We've got a really big storm set in. Oh, jeez. That was a beauty. The poor old dog, he's really having a hard time of it. Macca! It's okay, buddy. Just 15 minutes ago, we're out there for a session of backyard cricket. Seems like hours away now with this storm coming, and it looks very set in. I'll just take you around to the front here because it's actually much worse coming in the front door. We've lost all satellite TV signals. If we just open the door here, the wind's quite bad. I'll have to be. Whoa! You can probably hear the whir in the camera mic there. If you look out there. And just see if we can capture a bit more of that lightning that looked pretty spectacular before. Just trying to scan the horizon. See if we can grab the next strike on film. But it looks like it won't be the case, so we'll just leave it there for now. The dog's going to sleep for a month. He's doing that much exercise.